yourself and know that that's good enough.
Come on, you can help mommy open the package, okay? Oh my goodness, hi guys. Okay, so I had to hop on real quick because, okay, first of all, I have my son. And excuse me if you hear the TV. My son loves Daniel Tiger. But guess what came in? So you guys are gonna come along for the unboxing with me. I'm so excited. First of all, I would like to thank my fabulous helper here. Hey, Chubby. For helping me. Yeah, baby. For helping me unbox. So, first we have, of course, the oils, which I will open in a second. It came with some booklets, getting started. I know in this starter kit, I know it comes with vitality oils, which means it's FDA approved for ingestion. So they even gave me a booklet about how to cook with essential oils, and I have a pretty decent size, look at that, booklet of, I guess, their products. So yeah, so I'm about to open these and show you guys what I have. Okay, put it down here. There you go. Thank you. Those are scissors. Please be careful. Thank you, Chubby. So I'm gonna put it together. Oh, I forgot a piece. Oh yeah, the remote. Duh. So I'm gonna put it together and then show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm gonna explain some of the pieces after I kind of familiarize myself, because I've seen so many videos of the Aria Diffuser and what it looks like, but I need to read up. I need to read up on what does what again. I'm just watching my son, of course, because he's holding in scissors. I'm trying to teach him safety with stuff, so you know, yeah. So I shall be back in a hot second. Put it together, figure out what is what, and yeah. Okay guys, so this was sideways because he was messing with it. So it's not aesthetically pleasing. We kind of missed opening it and it being all beautiful. Some of it came out already, so we're just gonna go ahead and go with whatever's left at this point. Pink. These are the oils. This is a roller tip for when you want to make your own oil blends and rub it on. I think these are the tops to the rollers. I'm not sure if it actually came with the mini balls or the mini actual glass rollers where you put your oils and you carry your oils in. If it did, it probably rolled off somewhere, but yeah. I've heard good things about this, so I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and drink it later and see what happens. It came with 2 oils as well, which he's holding. I think it's Stress Away and Panaway, I think. I know, Peace and Calming and Stress Away. It also came with hand sanitizer, several, as well as Thieves essential oil infused spray. And then it also came with some little, probably informative little booklets about kind of how to use your oils and things like that. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, so I just filled it up with this water. I didn't fill it up all the way, because I guess you can probably fill it up all the way up into that little capsule. So now I'm just actually going to pick what oil I want to start with. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been hearing a lot about Valor, so I'm thinking about, I'm actually not sure which one I want to do yet. Peppermint always has the key to my heart. I don't know. I may try. I may smell them first and give you guys my opinion of each and then pick one from there. Okay, so now I have it plugged up and everything. I hope you guys can still hear me. Now it's just a matter of choosing which oil I actually want to use. So first, these are vitality oils. Like I said, these are the ones that are FDA approved for ingestion, and you have the normal oils at the bottom. There's 12, I think, or 10, and then I have the 2 that my son currently has, which is Stress Away and Peace and Calming. For the first row that we have, that's vitality, is Peppermint, Lemon, Thieves, Citrus Fresh, and Digize. And on the bottom here, we have Raven, Valor, Panaway, Lavender, and Frankincense. And I'm not really sure. I don't know what each one smells like, so I'm going to smell each and see what we have. Ooh. Ooh. And it smells so nice and crisp. That one was Peppermint. do Vitality first if I can get it out the thing. This one's lemon. Y'all, and it actually like smells like peppermint, smells like lemon. This one is Thieves. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm just struggling trying to get it out of the thing. Let me prep some of these before. Okay. This one's Thieves. Oh, it's like a cinnamon but woodsy. Ooh. Okay. Thank you, baby. He just handed me the stress away he was holding. And the other one he put in the box. My peace and calming. I need that, baby. Thank you. This one is Citrus Fresh. This one kind of reminds me of like when you're cleaning, sometimes the fresh scent that you get from cleaning, which makes sense. Citrus Fresh, you know, may have some fruity. This is Digize. Ooh, this one kind of reminds me of when you take a capsule for gut health. This is, yeah, that's pretty much what this one is. Now he's holding Citrus Fresh in his hand. King. Now we're gonna start with the bottom row, which is the normal oils. Oh my goodness, if I can get it out of the thing. Ooh. So this first one is Raven. I think this is one of the rollers. I wonder why some of them are like this and some of them aren't. Ooh, this Raven's like a fresh, ooh, it's like a peppermint, but like a cinnamony, spicy peppermint. That one's nice. The next one is gonna be Valor, which I always hear good things about. So I'm excited about this one. Ooh. That one's nice. I bet it's gonna be really nice diffusing. I don't even know how to describe Valor to you. It's like it's almost like it kind of reminds me of a grape candy in a way, like a grape blueberry type candy, but with a little bit of a woodsy feel. Next is Lavender. Ouch, Lavender. Now I got these oils secured up in here. They're making sure it does not go anywhere in packaging. Lavender. Ooh. And I'm not usually a huge lavender person. Lavender is actually probably one of my least favorite oils, but that one smells so good. Frankincense is next. And that smells like frankincense too. It's definitely like it gives me pepperminty. No, it gives me like pepper and, I mean, frankincense. I mean, I don't really know how to really describe it to you, but when you think of like Bible times, like the wise men, how they used to give incense, that's definitely frankincense. And then the last one I have here is Panaway. And I'm struggling to get Panaway out of the box because it's one of these interesting caps. And I'm wondering why some oils come with these caps versus the ones that don't and they come with like this. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below why some of them are like this. Panaway. Oh, Panaway's nice. It's like a pepperminty, slight woodsy, but it depends on it. Really, I don't really know how to describe Panaway. It's I have to make sure you close, baby. It's like a pepperminty, leafy smell. Are you gonna put it back for me? Thank you. Now he took one of my other oils. This one's Stress Away, and he took Peace and Common and shoved it in a box somewhere, or that box I have to the side. And I don't feel like going to get it, but this is Stress Away. Ooh, that one's nice. This one's really nice. It's literally calming. It literally feels like your cares are about to just be carried away because of this scent. It's really nice. Gotta put it back. That's not where that goes though. This one goes in here. Put this one in here. Thank you, baby. Let me go get Peace and Calming. I shall be back in like 2 seconds. Okay guys, so I have Peace and Calming right here. Yeah, baby. Put it on my lid. Ooh. I feel like Peace and Calming and Stress Away are fairly similar, but this one's like a little bit of a more softer tone. I feel like this one is literally like Peace and Calming. It's meant to really bring peace into your life, to help you calm down during certain scenarios or situations. And Stress Away is literally, I guess, like just a reminder for you to just take a breath, relax a little bit, and then continue to do whatever you were doing, whatever task you were given, whatever. But yeah, so for my first one, I'm not even sure which ones I really want to use. After this video, I'm going back to finish my homework before my husband gets home. So I'm thinking about doing maybe a little bit of Peppermint, maybe a little bit of Stress Away. Let's see. Maybe Stress Away, Peppermint, and Lemon. But I'm gonna be fancy my first go around. I may do that. I think I'm gonna do Stress Away, Peppermint, and Lemon. Peppermint, lemon, and Stress Away, and just see what happens. My baby is dragging around this box, so you're gonna hear that in the background. I'm sorry. So here we go. Okay, so now I have it all plugged up. I put in about 8 drops roughly of each. So I did lemon, peppermint, and a little bit of Stress Away, which is great, especially for when my husband gets home. I may do Peace and Calming later on too, but we'll see. But I also forgot to tell you guys that even before I got the diffuser, I had already had 4 oils. Young Living Gratitude, Young Living Clarity, Young Living One Heart, which is one I was kind of excited for, and one of Acceptance. So, you know, I have these 4 also on top of the ones I already have. And I'm going to insert a video of roughly where my diffuser will be kind of staying. I may end up moving it around some, and I do want to get a little stand to kind of put it on, things like that. But I will show you guys what it looks like. It's even playing a little bit of music, and yeah.